Hard players, sleepy Frumpy Dump. So according to reports, honey, Frumpy Dump is so bored with the proceedings this morning in New York, he is falling asleep. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. That's what you get for staying up all night attacking people on Devil is a Lie Social. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat. Let's talk about the latest coming out of the courtroom in Frumpy Dump's hush money trial. So according to a CNN journalist who was on the scene with the gangster lean in the courtroom at Frumpy Dump's hush money trial, before lunch today, Frumpy Dump was seen slobbing and dabbing, honey. They said that he couldn't barely keep his eyes open while the proceedings was going on.
His head keeps dropping down and his mouth goes slack. Tell us about that.
Well, Jake, he appeared to be asleep, and repeatedly his head would fall down. There have been other moments in other trials, like the Agent Carroll trial, which was around the corner in January, where he appeared very still and seemed as if he might be sleeping, but then he would move. This time, he didn't pay attention to a note that his lawyer, Todd Blanche, passed him. His jaw kept falling on his chest, and his mouth kept going slack. Now, sometimes people do fall asleep during court proceedings, but it's notable given the intensity of this morning and a lot of what was being argued.
I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Frumpy Dump should have went to sleep last night instead of staying up on Devil is a Lie Social, exercising his tiny hands to attack Attorney General Merrick Garland, President Biden, and several others. Also coming out of the courtroom, honey, Manhattan District Attorney's Office has filed a motion for the judge to go ahead and sanction Frumpy to the motherfucking dump for his personal attacks on Devil is a Lie Social. According to reports, shortly after noon, the Assistant District Attorney Christopher Conroy formally asked the judge to fine Frumpy Dump $1,000 for each post that violates the court's order. He's asking for those sanctions, and he also wants the judge to direct Frumpy Dump to take down the offending post and remind Frumpy Dump that further violations could result in jail time. Judge Morshon did not immediately rule on the motion. However, he did set a hearing date of April 24th to decide whether Frumpy Dump is in violation of the gag order and whether he will sanction him for all of the bullshit that he's been doing on Devil is a Lie Social. Frumpy Dump's Cracker Jack Box legal team also made a request of the judge that Frumpy Dump be allowed or they skip a day of trial on May 17th so he can attend Barron's graduation. Now, the judge did not hand down a decision on that, saying that he will have to see how the trial schedule is moving along. So with that ruling, he also indicated that he expects this trial to last for at least a month. Judge also made it very clear that Frumpy Dump must appear in court every single day for every single minute of this trial. So that is the latest that we have coming out of the courtroom in Frumpy Dump's hush money case. Baby, this is gonna get good. Players, I want to know what y'all thinking about this. Put your thoughts in the comments. Do you think that the judge is going to sanction Frumpy Dump? I mean, it's been done to him before. And also, what do you think about the judge skipping out on not allowing Frumpy Dump, on whether he's going to allow Frumpy Dump to attend Barron's graduation? Do you think that that is a legitimate reason to miss court? Put your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you're thinking. This is Double D Mo for the Black Accurate News.